Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable iPhone back tap gesture on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable iPhone back tap gesture on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, scroll down and tap on touch. Now from here, scroll down and tap on back tap. Now for an example, I will set my iPhone for when I double tap the back of my iPhone, it will open the flashlight. Just like that. Now let's check. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable the iPhone back tap gesture on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.